So let's say we like this look. We like what we have made, we like this material, and we want to use this in future projects that we are going to do and you reuse it again and again. The easiest way is to create a smart material out of it. So I have just grouped every of these things which I have created. I'm going to go in every layer and make sure I don't have any paint mask layer inside it because it's going to mess up with smart material. So let's open our mask and make sure we don't have any paint. If we have, let's just delete it and make sure none of the other masks have a paint layer. All right, so we grouped it, we named the group. This is going to be the name of our smart material. To make it a smart material, all you have to do is right click and go down. We have create smart material. So it has created a smart material for us. The name resembles our folder name, and that's how you create a smart material out of Substance. So we have another smart material through Substance, which are basically the same thing. They are material constructed through some mask and generators. So if I drag and drop something else like the machinery, it's going to run all of those generation and programs that somebody else has made, and it's going to do the same thing on our model. We can go in and try to add something else like steel painted, drag and drop and see how it has been made. So this is actually one of the best way to learn how to create materials in Substance is drag and drop the smart materials, open the folder structure and dissect what everything is doing and try to mimic that in your old project to learn from it. All right, to see if our smart material is gonna react the same way as it's doing in this model to other projects, let me just open a new one. So I have one more robot loaded in my Substance scene. Let's go in and delete all of the layers it has. So we have a flat robot. Let's go in and browse to our paint smart material which we created. Let's drag and drop this guy. And now it's gonna do the same thing. Right now it's styling a bit less for our camouflage. So we can go in, go to our paint where we have our camo and increase the tiling. But apart from that, all of the peeling system which we made is doing the same thing as it was doing in our old robot. I can still go in and play with those settings to get a different look. Like if I go to my height, I can change the tile of this guy. I can go to my bubbles and change that. I can go to my paint height again and change these. I can still change my texture which I have. So smart materials are an easier way to transfer your materials and use them again and again. So now since we have made a basic material, let's go over how to export it and render it.